Hey guys, this is Fundo on Phakade. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday, Phakade blames kaMandonsela for all the troubles his householder is going through. Phakade bans kaMandonsela hailing staff after learning kaMandonsela made Khanyo burn Muti in his house. Tuesday, Buhle makes significant changes at Himsam. Lindo is torn, and he does not want to work at Himsam now that he been demoted. Buhle make an announcement and tell the staff that Tusheleni is now the manager. Wednesday, the church is filled with traditional hymns for an interventions to restore Kanyo signs, and the police arrived to take Kanyo's confession that she kills Thokozile. This day, Nombi asked Mandlovu whether Nkulego's relationship with Fikile is over and learned that Nkulego has taken a DNA sample from Fikile. Friday, Fikile is distracted to find out the truth that indeed the love of her life is her brother. Meanwhile, at the Bengo house, Phakade tell his family that he will not go along with Kanye wishes. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.